Welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to look at how to solve this nice exponential equation. So we are told to find the value of x. Okay, so to solve for x, first of all, you can see that 27 is the base and x is the power. 3 is the base and 1 minus x is the power. Same as this one, 9 is the base and 2x is the power. So for us to solve for x, or to solve this equation, we need to change or to rewrite 27 and 9 to the smallest base. Okay, so we can see that 3 is the smallest base. So 27 can be written in base 3 as 3 to the power 3. Then to the power x times 3, 1 minus x over the 9 can be written as 3 squared, then everything to the power 2x is equal to 1. Okay, so by the laws of indices, if you have a number a that has been raised to the power m, and also it has been raised to the power n, then this is going to be equal to the same base here raised to the power mn. So the powers are going to multiply, so to the power mn. Okay, so we are going to apply this on 3 squared and 3 cubed. Okay, so we are going to have 3 to the power 3 times x is 3x times 3, 1 minus x, then over 3 to the power 2 times 2x is 4x to the power 4x is equal to 1. Okay, again, when you reach at this stage, by the laws of indices, if you have the base a which has been raised to the power m being multiplied to the same base a being raised to the power n, then you have the same base a raised to the powers are going to be added. If the bases are the same and are multiplying, then the powers will add. Okay, so we have m plus n. Okay, so we are going to apply this on top here. So this will imply that you have 3, because the base is 3, you can see at 3 and 3, the bases are the same. And so we are going to add the powers. So we're going to have 3x plus this. Okay, I'm going to put in brackets to avoid mistakes. Okay, then over 3 raised to the power 4x is equal to 1. So we can expand the brackets. So we are going to have 3 to the power 3x. Then here it's like you have an invisible 1. So, but you're going to say, yeah, it's like you have an invisible. So here it's like you have an invisible 1. So it's like positive 1 times 1. You have positive 1. Positive 1 times negative x will be negative x. Then over 3 to the power 4x is equal to 1. Okay, so we collect like terms together. You can see that this term is like to that. They both have x's. So you're going to say 3x minus x. You're going to have 3 to the power 2x, then plus 1. over 3 to the power 4x is equal to 1. Okay, so when you reach at this stage, there are actually two ways you can solve this. It's either you follow the laws of indices by saying, since the bases are the same and are dividing, then the powers are going to subtract. Or we write the right hand side as a fraction. So we'll go by this way. We'll write this as a fraction also because this is a fraction. Then we shall cross multiply. Okay. Then we're going to have 1 times this. We'll have 3 raised to the power 2x plus 1. Then this times 1, we're going to have 3 to the power 4x. So again, by the laws of indices, if you have a number, the base a that has been raised to the power m, which is equal to the same base a that has been raised to the power a different power n, then it will imply that m is equal to n. Okay, so we are going to apply this here. Okay, so you can see that the bases are the same. 3 and 3 are the same, so meaning the powers are equal. We are going to equate the powers. So we're going to have 2x plus 1 is equal to 4x. Okay, at this stage we are going to collect like terms together. So let this 4x come this side where there is another x. So we need to remove this 4x by additive inverse. So since this is positive 4x, for us to remove it, we're going to subtract 4x. So what we've done on the right, we also do it on the left. Okay, so here we're going to have 2x minus 4x. We're going to have negative 2x plus 1 is equal to 4x minus 4x is 0. At this point, we continue collecting like terms together. So we want to find the value of x. So meaning this number here, this term here, has to be taken the other side. And we are going to do that by additive inverse. This is positive 1. For us to remove this, we are going to subtract a 1, so that when you say 1 minus 1 becomes a 0. So what we've done on the left, we also do the same on the right, like this. Okay, then we're going to, on this side, we're going to have negative 2x. This is a 0 is equal to 0 minus 1 is negative 1. Okay, to find the value of x, divide both sides of this equation by 2, by negative 2. Okay, so the 2's will cancel. Then we are going to have x is equal to negative will be positive because they are dividing each other. So we're going to have positive half. Okay, so x is equal to positive half. Thank you very much for watching. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, comment, hit the like button and share. And also